Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by signing into Stake with your verified account. This is necessary so Stake recognizes you. Once logged in, open Settings and select Security. This directs you to two-factor authentication. Make sure an authenticator app is installed on your phone because you will scan a QR code. While here, enable device biometric unlock if available to speed future logins. These first steps establish identity and the tool you will use for generating 2FA codes. Now select Enable Two-Factor Authentication in Security. This generates a QR code and a 16-character backup key. Open your Authenticator app and scan the QR. If scanning fails, choose Enter Key manually and type the key exactly. After the app adds the account, it will display a 6-digit rotating code. Enter that code back on Stake to verify. Once verified, Stake will show recovery codes. Download or copy them to an encrypted note because they let you regain access if you lose your device. Finally, sign out and sign back in to confirm two-factor authentication is active. You must enter the current 6-digit code from your authenticator each time. If you lose access to the app, use one of the recovery codes you saved to log in and then reset 2FA. One key troubleshooting tip: if codes are rejected, make sure your phone's time is set to automatic network time. Authenticators rely on accurate clocks, so syncing time usually resolves mismatched codes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.